Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. We're starting to get lots of divergences on the 4-hour time frame. So I'm going to start watching for a bigger pullback. Spiking up to 74.29, just shy of our 74.59 key. Oh, well, we had 74.48 and 74.59. Couldn't quite get there. You can see this high, we had a high RSI, next high, lower RSI, big push up, even lower RSI. It looks like it's running out of momentum. It's not getting a strong rotation back up, so definitely move up stops. I'm just going to move all these up now to this bigger level so we can start gauging what's going on. And I'm going to come to the most recent swing and take this up here. So on a pullback, the first key level support right now is the 72.32, rising 8. Next key levels is prior resistance becoming support. I'd be watching for about 71.20 to 71.30. Now, we may be starting to get the bigger pullback. If that's the case, I'm really going to be focusing on right around the 7,000 area, rising 50 just below the 25%, and see if we can get a reversal pattern down there, especially with all these divergences setting up. Let's check in on the daily chart. Daily chart. This is interesting. Now, the 78.21, 78.41, 78.21, 75% retracement level, and the flattening out 200. That's going to be a very key level on a push up. The rising 8 is right at this 25% pullback. So I'm actually going to, I said 7,000. I'm actually going to a little higher than that, 7,000 to 7,030 for a pullback on the daily basis is what I'll be watching for. If we were to go through there, the next key level is about the 68.40 with the bottom of the rotation zone. Just above that, the 50 exponential moving average and the 37.5% pullback. Now, next push higher for the levels, 75.07, lining up pretty much with the prior 62.5% retracement from this sell-off, so would not ignore that level. It's a really nice cluster. Then we got 75.85 to 76.25, targeting pretty much right around 7,600. Then this very key level, 78.21. So those are all your key levels. No divergences yet on the daily chart, so we might just get a slightly bigger pullback. So just don't be surprised if we do. Looking at Ethereum. Ethereum pulling back to the rotation zone, holding right now, not a very strong push. Also, we're getting some divergences, lower high in RSI, higher high in price action. If we get a close below about 290, going to start watching for the bigger pullback on there. 285 the first level, then 277. Has not been able to even push up to these next key levels. Let's really zoom in on the daily chart here. So you see the upper end of the rotation zone. Now it's pretty much caught on both sides of the rotation zone. So what? A key close above 301 will be then back to getting more aggressive on pushes higher. A close below about 290, 288 to 290 area. Then we'll be watching for the bigger pullback and a return to this major congestion area. But it's definitely weakening. Also, we have slightly lower high here on RSI on the daily and higher high, so divergence setting up on the daily. So there's some negatives coming in right now for Ethereum. So again, do not be surprised if we do get a bigger pullback. I definitely keep your stops raised, lock in some profits, and then judge which way, if we're getting the close again above about 302 or a close below 290. Close below 290, you'll definitely want to, if you got it lower, take something off the table and watch for the bigger pullback. Get a close above 302, then you can start watching for the pullbacks and rotations on the 4-hour time frame again, but definitely keep your stops raised. That's all we have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.